My sisters and brothers, I greet you all with the love and peace of the Lord. I invite you to meditate together with me on the holy word of God of 9th April 2021. The focus of our reflection, the greatest testimony for having been touched by the risen Lord, is the conviction and the courage to bear testimony to the Lord. Once touched and overwhelmed by the power of the Lord, no force or pressure can intimidate or deter a follower of Christ. The Lord always comes to our rescue whenever we feel lost and defeated. When He is not with us, we will catch nothing, in spite of all our talent and expertise. But when He enters into our life situations, there will be the success of efforts and abundance of results. This is the truth that the Word of God drives home to us. Peter and the other apostles received the noblest vocation, a transition from mere fishermen to be fishers of souls. But at the death of Jesus, in disillusionment, they fall back to the same old profession of fishing. But strangely, they catch nothing. But at the entry of Jesus into the scene and at his direction, they gather an abundant catch. The point is very clear. Without Jesus and apart from Him, we can do nothing, and all our talent and expertise will amount to nothing. It is the presence and the power of the risen Lord that gives us conviction, direction, light, and strength. It is this that fills Peter and others to be courageous, to proclaim boldly about Jesus, to risk arrest and imprisonment, and thus suffer for the sake of the Lord. Our faith and our loyalty may often put us to testing and trying times. We may feel like falling back to our old ways. We may tend to place our trust in our own abilities and resources. But we must remember that the Lord never abandons us and leaves us to our fate. And now, the direction and the directive for our life, talent and skill, intelligence and competence, experience and expertise are good, but they will fall short without the Lord's power and direction.